Today on how it's made. Pink sauce. You would probably find it hard to believe, but dog milk is a vital ingredient in the production of pink sauce. Why 5 dogs, you may ask? Well, that is because dog milk can be a bit inconsistent. Therefore, mixing the milk of 5 of these cute puppers gives the best result. You may think, is it hygienic to extract the dog milk straight from the udder and drop it right into the mix without any sanitation? Absolutely not, but influencers don't care, right? We don't need a massive amount of it though. Filling up the bottom of the tank is just about right to get that sweet spot of sour, sweet, and gooey. Now, where does the world-famous pink color come from? Flamingos. They get transported on a conveyor belt. As you can tell, they are treated very well and are extremely happy. And they get crushed completely. Every bit is used in the sauce. Nothing goes to waste. Right now, the flamingo is not considered an endangered species, but pink sauce may very well bring the bird to its knees. Pink sauce, right now, is one of the most sought-after sauces in the world. Therefore, production is really getting ramped up. This massive barrel gets filled up 24/7 to keep up with the demand. Now, as we take a closer look at the flamingo goo, it's a perfect blend of every part of the bird, crushed to tiny microscopic bits, giving it a perfect consistency as the main ingredient for the sauce. As the mixing process begins, our happy 4-legged friends get a well-deserved break until the next batch of dog milk is needed. It's already looking quite appetizing, doesn't it? Now for the most important part, bottling it up. Don't let your eyes deceive you. On full speed, this machine can fill up 75 bottles per minute, and that's how pink sauce is made.